Welcome back. This is part 3 of a set of videos about metal clay. You might have seen in the previous videos we made these little discs, then we sanded them in the second video and we put the holes in, and now this is the third video, and this is going to be about torch firing. I don't have a kiln, so I have to do this at home. I'm in the garage, so that's why it looks a little bit dark, but the garage is the best place to do this because you've got lots of ventilation, so you don't have to worry about the fumes. So this is a torch I'm going to use. It's just a very basic torch. I got this from Cooksen's, and I'm going to film the whole thing from beginning to end just so you can see the different colour changes. Okay, let's crack on. You should start to see a flame shortly. And can you see these top ones? They're going like a nice orange salmony colour. So when you get one really orange like that, you have to pull the torch back. If you carried on, you would be in melting territory. So it's really important that you're watching the colour all the time. Keep the flame moving, and if you get too orange, pull the flame back, and if things are looking too white, you need a little bit more heat. You have to do this for a full 3 minutes. So I've got my timer going, but I won't film the entire thing. And you just keep doing this, keeping the nice orangey colour, not too orange like that one in the middle. Pull back a little bit when the ones turn white. I'm doing a small batch, I don't want to do a big batch. These are not all the discs I have to do. I thought I'll do them in 2 batches. And you do see the shrinkage happening. You'll see the clay discs starting to look a little bit smaller. If you get interrupted at any point, you can just stop and go back to it and do another full 3 minutes. And it's actually okay if you go a little bit longer as well. That's not going to cause any harm. So I've just noticed my timer isn't working. So I've been filming for 3 minutes 37 seconds, so I think we're probably good to go. We'll stop it at 4 minutes just to be on the safe side. I don't want to underfire these. Okay, we'll call that a day. Now here are 2 that I got distracted last weekend trying to do this, and you can see these went really orange and then started to melt, and you can see the daisy prints completely melted off. So that's what happens. Nothing too catastrophic. It's just that you lose your pattern and your design, and that's now going to be for the scrap pot. So I don't like to quench these. I like to let them dry naturally, and we'll come back when everything's dry, and we'll get the wire brush out and we'll give them a little shine, and we'll get that silver to come up to the surface.